Welcome to Video Animation Beginners class. Today our topic is how to edit on mobile phone using Power Director app overview. My name is Emedio Edo. Okay, today I'm going to look into three aspects in this video. The first one is how to prepare your project. The second one is how to import media. The third one is the app overview or the app walkthrough. Okay, so we are going to move to the slide. So I'm going to move to the first thing on our list, that is how to prepare your project. First of all, you have to open to your file manager. When you're opening to your file manager, you create a folder. For example, if you want images to be on your project, you create a folder where all those images will be stored inside. Or if you want images to be inside your folder, you create a folder and store them inside, so you will not get stuck or where to find it, because as a beginner like this it might get very complicated for you if you don't follow these steps. So you just give your folder a name. Maybe I'm going to say tutorial. Okay, it might be getting confusing for you if you don't follow the steps, so please follow the steps. First of all, create a folder, input images or videos inside the folder and save it. So when you open to your Power Director app, because the app you are going to use in creating motion graphics is Power Director. It helps you to edit videos, edit images, and so on. Alright, so first of all, this is the app walkthrough. You can see previous video here. You can see a tutorial tip here. You can see YouTube, Instagram settings here. Okay, so if you're opening the app for the first time, you will not see all these videos because I just created these videos. Okay, so you're going to click on the new project. You give it a name. Let me say tutorial. Okay, so now you can see the different screen size we have YouTube, we have portrait mode, we have Instagram mode, we have Instagram story, and we have the normal large screen size. Okay, so anytime you're creating a video, you have to understand where you're hosting it so that it will be very easier for you. So if you're creating a video on if you're creating a video, you're editing, your video is made in a portrait mode, it should be edited in a portrait mode. If your video is created on a landscape mode, it should also be edited on a landscape mode. Don't intersect and input things anyhow. Okay, so I'm going to move to the slide. I want to be using YouTube mode. Okay, so automatically your mobile phone will just swap to be landscape. Even though you're using portrait mode, to just turn to be landscape, because that is how it's meant to be. It's programmed to be like that. Alright, so here we can see video here. You can see a photo button, we can see a video template button, we can see a music button here. So if you click on photo, it will take you to a photo where you can click on a photo. You click on video template, it will take you also to a video template interface. When you log in online, you'll be able to see the video template to come out. If you click on the music, you also see music tracks here. Alright, so I'm going to click on a video. For example, I'm going to locate that my app. Okay, and that my folder, that was tutorial 001. And to click, you want to add a video to your slide. You can just, when you click on the video, for example, you click the plus sign, it will be added. Or if you don't want it to be done that way, you can also click on the video and drag it. Click on the video and drag it and to be dropped there. Or for example, if you wanted to check the video and before you put it, you don't know the one you want to put first, or you want to put this one second, you can just preview before you start playing it. For example, I can just do something like this. I preview a video before I start uh, editing it. Okay, to add it. Alright, so that is it for that. So I'm going to go back. So now also you can have a home screen mode, you can have a music mode here, and you can have a second editor layer function. This is called a second editor layer function, and this is called a something we all know it, undo and redo. Alright, so we can also see that one also. So here also we have a produce button mode. If we click on this second editor layer function, this second editor layer function helps you to um, bring pop out a text or a video without interrupting what is happening in the screen. So in our next lesson I'm going to be showing you guys on other things on that, so stick tuned to these videos and follow the videos. Okay, so in this second editor layer function, you can also see video, photo, sticker, overlay. It will just pop out something to the main screen while this other screen is playing without affecting it. But you have to do some editing to it so that it will not be too obvious. Alright, so you can see a produce button here. When you're done creating your videos, you just click the produce button. Either you want it to be saved like a gallery, or you want to share it on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook or whatever. Okay, so you can also see a setting button here. In this settings button you can see audio mixing, settings, tutorials and tips. All right, okay, so for that. All right, so now if you want to edit your video, you can also, when you click on this, for example, when you click on it, you're going to see two buttons popping up. That is a delete button here and also an edit button. So when you click on the delete button, you delete the video out. If you click on the edit button, you will help you to add other features to it. And now you can see split. These split buttons help you to helps you to edit a video. Yeah, I want to cut a video maybe in between, so you just bring your clip here, here, something like this, and the help of a split button, it helps you to cut the video. Okay, the volume here helps you to increase or reduce the volume, or fade in or fade out. In the course of this tutorials I'm going to show you more on how to use these buttons. Okay, audio mixing also. Audio mixing helps you to compile, compress the music together. If you want to increase, maybe put the bass, or you want to put the bass, whatever, how you want it to be. Okay, this audio tools just the same thing. This filter helps you to maybe make your video saturated, or in light, bring the brightness or reduce the brightness depending on how you want it to be. Adjustment also just the same thing like this filter, but there are two different things. People that use Snapchat will understand how that works, but in the course of this video I'm going to show you more on that. The speed also helps to fasten the way you want your video to look like. You don't forget that we are dealing on motion graphics. All right, so effect also, you still need it, so that maybe you want to swap. You see some videos, when you watch it you see how to be coming up, popping out, going out, in, fading in and fading out. All right, so you can also see feel and fit and feel. Maybe if you want your video to be fitted in the screen, depending on how you want it to be, it will be fitted. All right, okay, we also have crop, rotate, flip, duplicate, or reverse. Yeah, you want to go back. So that is the buttons you find here on Power Director Pro app. Alright, so we go back to the slide. So now I've showed you guys the basic things you have to find in Power Director. I showed you guys how to prepare your project. You go into your file manager, you create a folder, you drop all your files, even these images or videos, and I showed you how to import your media. When you come to your video, or if you place it on a video folder or a photo folder, you go and locate it, and also walk you through the app and show you some necessary buttons you have to know before you start creating your video. Thank you for sticking tuned to the class. See you next time.